Welcome to XRP News Channel. Here's what XRP could be worth if it handles 25% of global remittances by 2029. What could XRP price be if it handled 25% of the projected value of global remittances by 2029? Especially if the market fully priced in its value? Notably, crypto proponents believe XRP remains undervalued, especially when you consider its speed, scalability, and growing role in cross-border payments. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next crypto news. Currently changing hands at $2.22, it still trades below what some say reflects its real-world use. Specifically, Ripple continues to build partnerships across key regions, but the market has yet to fully recognize the long-term value behind that adoption. XRP set to capture a growing remittance market. Meanwhile, the remittance market keeps expanding. According to recent projections, the global remittance industry will grow from $782.54 billion in 2024 to $832.57 billion in 2025, marking a steady 6.4% annual growth rate. That same growth pace should carry the industry to about $1.067 trillion by 2029. A recent business report suggested that factors such as rising migration, economic gaps between countries, and the spread of mobile and digital financial services could trigger this growth. Amid the projected expansion, Ripple has set itself up to take advantage of the change. Specifically, the company has already secured partnerships in high remittance markets such as Brazil, Mexico, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Ripple leverages XRP because it processes transactions in seconds using a consensus mechanism that doesn't rely on energy-heavy mining. The network can handle thousands of transactions per second, making it suitable for the high-volume demands of international payments. Moreover, legal clarity has improved, particularly in the US, where XRP is no longer treated as a security in retail sales. Importantly, this will allow more financial institutions to now use XRP without fear of regulatory pushback. XRP price if it handles 25% of global remittances by 2029 with such an expected growth. We assessed where XRP's price could go if it plays a major role in global remittances, leveraging a market share-based model. Instead of just measuring how much money XRP could move, this model estimates how the market might value its network in line with how investors typically value remittance and payment companies like Visa, PayPal, or Western Union. Most of these companies trade at valuations equal to 1 to 3 times their annual payment volume. For this analysis, we used a middle ground 2x multiplier on the projected 2029 remittance volume of $1.067 trillion. This gives the remittance industry an estimated market capitalization of $2.134 trillion by 2029. If XRP captures 25% of that market cap, it would represent a network value of $533.5 billion. With a circulating supply of 60 billion XRP, the token would need to trade at $8.89 to reflect that value. This alone would mark a strong price increase from its current level. However, this estimate only reflects XRP's practical use. In crypto, real-world utility often drives more demand, which in turn brings extra buying pressure. If growing adoption and investor confidence add just a 4x demand premium, XRP's price could rise to $35.56. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See the next crypto news. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.